Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain about how I solved a TCS Codevita problem within one single line. Stay tuned to the end to know the answer. So the problem which I solved is Philaland Coin. The main statement of the problem is there is an island called Philaland and there are few smart people in there and they were given a task find out the minimum number of coins which are required to buy an item with some price, say X. There are two scenarios given by some of the numbers. First one is if you have coins ranging from 1 to price of X, then you can buy any item in between the range at least once. There is another scenario that was given by another person. If you want to buy a $5 item, you just need $1, $2, $3 coins to buy a $5, because by summing these three you can get actually even a $6 item too. Let's start with some easy test cases that we can answer them. The first test case, suppose if the value of the item is, let's say, $1, you can buy a $1 item with one single coin, which is $1. And if you want to buy a $2 coin, let's say, you need $1 and $2 coins. And if you want to buy a $3, you just require two coins. They are $1 and $2. You can form a $3 by using 1 plus $2. If you want to buy a $4, you require $1, $2 and $3. You can buy actually a $6 price of item too with these three coins. But let's say if you want to buy a $7 item, then also you require only 3 coins, which are $1, $2 and $4. With these 3 coins, you can actually buy an item price ranging from 1 to 7. And next, if you want to buy an item within the range of 1 to 15, you just require 4 coins. They are $1, $2, $4, $8. If you want to buy the range of 1 to $31 price of items, then you need just 5 coins. They are $1, $5, $4, $8, $16. So what is the common number that you see in these 5 numbers? That is 2. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3 and 2 power 4. So let's start with the solution. So first start writing an easy way of program, a lengthy one, but which is easy. Take an integer n from the user and take a variable I and take a while loop. Increase I value every time the loop executes. The condition is 2 power I is less than or equal to n. Then the loop continues. Finally, print the I value. That's it. The problem solved. You can see the execution. Let's say the number is 7. 3 coins are required. How it is happening? First, suppose take a smaller number. Let's say 4. So for the first time, I is 0. 2 power 0, which is 1, is less than 4. So the while loop executes and I value becomes 1. And then 2 power 1, which is 2, which is also less than n. Then the loop executes. The I value becomes 2. When 2 power 2, which is 4, which is less than or equal to n. So the loop again goes inside execute this statement I plus 1. Then the I value becomes 3. when 2 power 3, which is 8, not less than 4, so the while loop is exited and you will get a value number 3. So this is one of the solutions that you can use to solve the problem. There is another way of solving this problem, actually, which I used in the mock Vita. So the solution is, don't take any input, don't declare any variables, just use a print statement. Print of length of bin of length of input minus 2. And you just execute it and print the answer. You will print directly answer. So what is the solution? 7, which is 3. And if you want to print, suppose 15, which is 4. If you have a basic knowledge about binary numbers, you can solve this problem very easily. He asked minimum number of bits that are required to store a number. That is the question that is given in the TCS Codevita. Anyone from EC background can solve this problem very easily if they knew the basics of binary numbers. But the problem is, you read this whole story and think about lot of coding and how can I solve this problem? Should I use any algorithm or anything like that? But the problem lies inside this is very simple. Find out the minimum number of bits that are required to store a number. So why use this expression? Generally you take an input and convert into int and then convert into binary format. Generally if you print a binary number, you will get 0b and the rest of is number. You can see like this. For suppose the input is 7, we are getting 0b111. These 0 and b are not required for me. So I just count the length of bits that are there in the binary number. Just minus 2 and print the answer. Suppose let's say 32. The answer is 6 bits. 6 bits are required, which means 6 coins are enough to make a price of $32. So that's the way I solve problems in any competitive exam. If you know mathematics and little bit of syntax, then you can code very easily. The problem is how to apply. That's where your talent lies. Try solving problems from easier level to harder level and start making it as a habit, and you will definitely crack any competition like Codevita or Hack with Infi or anything. Start believing in yourself. If you like the video, please share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.